I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter.
Tired of wearing China-made masks when cleaning? Sprinkle the cleanest powder on the market to snow down the dust. Got a dirty trailer? Not anymore. Use snow cleaner on a rag to polish your trailer to a new look without the use of hard chemicals. It's not going to eat your hands like other products on the market. It's so safe you can eat it like ice cream. Not responsible for toppings that can cause brain freeze. It's so rare that you won't find it in stores. Call now to scoop up the savings. Tired of waiting for others to clean up after themselves? Only to find out that they want to tear it all down so they can build back better without your consent, then charge you an arm and a leg to get it done tomorrow? Get the fastest biodegradable snow cleaner on a summer's day for 2 low payments of $19.99. But wait, there's more. If you order within the next 20 minutes, we will throw in a bucket of rare yellow snow.
We have snow women waiting to take your call. We are an equal employment opportunity workplace. We have a lot of holes that need to be filled in this fast-growing company.
Got a dirty floor? Not anymore. Just spread snow cleaner over your dirty, filthy floors. Then come back with a broom to sweep up to see a clean floor without a dust cloud. Not only do we use the greenest oil-based bucket to save the environment, we will throw in a lifetime bucket refill program for the low cost of $19.99, shipping and handling extra. Supplies limited to first snow to spring melt.
I can't live without it. Developed by Mother Nature over millions of years, so you know it has to be good. I get excited just thinking about it.
This product is proudly produced in South Dakota. Others try to imitate, but you can't beat this seasonal product. Get it before it melts.
Disclaimer, the Snow Council hasn't approved the bucket for any other uses. If not returned in a month, you will be billed for 12 low monthly payments of $19.99. The information contained on Snow Cleaner is for general information purposes only. Snow Cleaner assumes no responsibility for errors or omissions in the contents of the service. In no event shall the Snow Cleaner be liable for any special, direct, indirect, consequential, or incidental damages or any damages whatsoever, whether in an action of contract, negligence, or other tort, arising out of or in connection with the use of the Snow Cleaner or the contents in Snow Cleaner. The company reserves the right to make additions, deletions, or modifications to the contents on the service at any time without prior notice. The Snow Cleaner does not warrant that the service is free of viruses or other harmful components. The information given by the service is for general guidance on matters of interest only. Even if the Snow Cleaner takes every precaution to ensure that the content of the service is both current and accurate, errors can occur. Plus, given the changing nature of laws, rules, and regulations, there may be delays, omissions, or inaccuracies in the information contained on the Snow Cleaner. The company is not responsible for any errors or omissions, or for the results obtained from the use of this information. All information in the Snow Cleaner is provided as is, with no guarantee of completeness, accuracy, timeliness, or of the results obtained from the use of this information, and without warranty of any kind, express or implied, including, but not limited to, warranties of performance, merchantability, and fitness for a particular purpose. The company will not be liable to you or anyone else for any decision made or action taken in reliance on the information given by the Snow Cleaner, or for any consequential, special, or similar damages, even if advised of the possibility of such damages.
John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button